Legit? No, sweet. I got you. This is a B-side. This is by Little Walton. This is called Up the Line.
What you got, Blue?
He plays a chromatic harmonica on this, and he was just like
Blue.
a Charlie Parker.
What you got?
Baritone sax on there. And a great singer.
I've got that door perfectly
Most people
gauged to stop that stick coming in.
The B-side was always a liberating experience to go and record very
Look at
often in a day.
Twisted my ankle. That looks
You had your
funny.
favourite B-side, and it was great to think you were in a little clique
Oh,
that liked
this
the
is the
B-side,
worst
and you may
rolling
not
of
have
ankle I've ever
liked
had.
it, but you had a few mates that did like the
Sure,
B-side.
look at that. That doesn't look too bad there. I've got some
They were a throwaway thing with no
some
pressure.
stuff for it.
And
Ice
it had to
pack.
exist because records have two sides and you wanted something else.
Bandage, elastic bandage. Whatever the hell that is he's sold me. Ibuprofen. Oh, come on in. Here you go. Yes. Oh. I think there's someone in that car. That was a bad idea. Yeah. You're happy now, aren't you? Let's do another one. Oh yeah. I better be careful, these Italians think I'm crazy. That's my walking stick. You won't get a better walking stick than that. Bit of rebar with a mushroom. Don't ask where I got it. Come on in, one more. Let's go. One more. It's killing me.